John Cena's retirement tour, 4 blockbuster feuds you didn't see coming. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about John Cena farewell tour. Let's start the video. John Cena, the 16-time world champion, the leader of Cenation. Let's dive into the thrill ride of Cena's final year. Number 4, Gunther, a clash of titans. One of the biggest threats to Cena's final championship run could come from the current world heavyweight champion, Gunther. The Ring General has been on a dominant streak, reigning over Raw with ruthless precision and physical dominance. Cena has acknowledged Gunther's impressive in-ring ability, and this clash could be one for the ages. A match between Cena and Gunther would be about proving who is the true top dog on Raw. Fans would be on the edge of their seats as Cena fights to secure his 17th World Championship in a hard-hitting battle with Gunther's brutal style. This could easily be one of the most intense matches on Cena's retirement tour. Number 3, CM Punk, one last battle of ideals. Cena vs CM Punk. This rivalry was one of the most electrifying in WWE history, and it's a feud that could still ignite the WWE universe. Punk's return to WWE has brought his anti-establishment attitude back to the forefront, and Cena, with his never give up persona, represents everything Punk has often criticized. If Cena and Punk were to square off one last time, it wouldn't just be about wrestling, it would be about their differing philosophies and ideologies. Cena's loyalty to WWE's corporate image vs Punk's rebellious, no-holds-barred style. This battle of ideals could easily be the most personal feud of Cena's retirement tour, with brutal promos and physical showdowns that bring all the drama fans expect from these two icons. Number 2. Cody Rhodes, the passing of the torch. But Cena wins. One of the most anticipated matchups on Cena's retirement tour could be against Cody Rhodes, the new face of WWE. Cody is often seen as the future of the company, but in this scenario, Cena defeats Cody Rhodes in their monumental showdown, retaining his WWE Championship before heading into retirement. This matchup would carry incredible weight. Cody would represent the new era, while Cena represents the end of an era. It would be the ultimate passing of the torch moment, but with Cena proving that he's not just passing the torch, he's still the reigning champion. Proving that he can still go toe-to-toe with the young stars of today. Cena's victory here would solidify his place as the top dog, leaving behind a legacy that Cody can only strive to match. Number 1, Randy Orton, Cena's final championship defense. And finally, the number 1 match that everyone's been waiting for, John Cena vs Randy Orton for the WWE Championship. This match would be the ultimate culmination of Cena's career. Orton, one of his greatest rivals, would challenge Cena for the title in a career-defining, epic clash. This would be Cena's last defense of his championship, and there's no better opponent than Orton. The two have been in countless battles over the years, and a final showdown would bring everything full circle. Cena, with everything on the line, would fight to retire as WWE Champion, while Orton would do everything in his power to dethrone Cena and claim the title for himself. The drama here would be unmatched, as Cena fights to prove that he's the greatest of all time, while Orton seeks to end Cena's reign with one final, brutal match. In the end, Cena would defeat Orton in his final championship defense, retiring on top as WWE Champion. So this is the video. Thanks for watching.